Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment. In today's video, we'll discuss some quick remedies to help you get relief from the flu, cold, and runny nose as soon as possible. These home and herbal solutions can provide fast relief and may even help prevent the symptoms from worsening. If you are struggling with these issues, make sure to watch this video until the end for valuable tips. Here are a few simple yet effective home remedies you can try. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam from hot water infused with menthol or eucalyptus oil. The steam helps to open blocked nasal passages, providing quick relief. Ginger and honey. Take a teaspoon of honey mixed with freshly grated ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the throat, while honey offers natural antibacterial benefits. Warm saltwater gargle. Gargling warm salt water helps clear nasal congestion and soothes a sore throat. This can be especially helpful if you're experiencing irritation from constant sneezing or coughing. Turmeric milk. Drink warm milk with a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties and can boost your immune system. Spicy foods. Eating spicy foods such as those containing black pepper, garlic, or chili can help open up your nasal passages and clear congestion. Nature offers a range of herbal remedies that can also help alleviate symptoms of flu and cold. Here are some to consider. Ginger and honey tea. Boil fresh ginger slices in water, strain, and add honey to taste. This tea reduces inflammation, soothes the throat, and provides relief from cold symptoms. Turmeric and black pepper milk. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in warm milk. This combination is known to enhance immunity and relieve flu symptoms. Garlic and honey mix. Crush 2 garlic cloves and mix them with honey. Consuming this blend can provide natural antibiotic benefits and help fight off the flu virus. Clove and cinnamon tea. Boil 3 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick in water, then drink the tea warm. Both cloves and cinnamon are known to relieve congestion and boost immune function. Steam inhalation with herbs. Boil water with mint leaves, eucalyptus, or thyme, then inhale the steam. This method helps open up blocked nasal passages and clears congestion. Black seed oil, also known as kalanji. Taking half a teaspoon of black seed oil with warm water can help reduce mucus and provide immune support. Holy basil or tulsi, and honey. Chew fresh basil leaves or drink tulsi tea with honey. This combination can naturally combat flu symptoms and ease a runny nose. If your symptoms persist or worsen, you may consider using over-the-counter medications. Antihistamines, such as cetirizine or loratadine, can help reduce nasal congestion and stop a runny nose. Decongestant sprays, like oxymetazoline, provide quick relief by constricting blood vessels in the nasal passages, reducing swelling. Paracetamol or ibuprofen can help reduce fever and manage flu symptoms. Hydration is really important. Drink plenty of fluids, such as herbal teas, soups, or warm water with lemon. Hydration helps loosen mucus and prevents dehydration. Getting enough rest is essential to support your body's healing process. Allow your body time to recover and regain strength. If your symptoms persist for more than 3 to 5 days, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional. We hope these remedies provide you with some relief from your flu symptoms. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment for more informative videos on health, wellness, and more. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Allah Hafiz.